Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine, and if you haven't subscribed, haven't liked, I'll let you do it now. And today we are doing a fun video. I'm going away for Christmas to visit my Spanish family, and I am packing my suitcase for it, and it will be like a nice road trip. And I thought I'm going to show you what I'm packing, what I'm taking with me, all the fashion, and you will see the brands I use as a petite short woman under 5.4 feet. I think it will be fun to see what I'm packing, all the fashion items and style items and so on. So let's start the video. We are here. I have this really great like a luggage suitcase. It has like it's very soft and comfy, but it has wheels as well, and I thought this will be really comfy to take with me. To be quite honest, I definitely going to take way too much clothing for myself, and I'm also not sure what shoes to take. It will be like cold but not like too cold, so I'll definitely wear like winter boots maybe on my way there, and take some sneakers with me, and then I want to take some like kind of more feminine elegant boots, maybe with like a heel. I have no idea, it's really difficult, but okay, I think we can start. First we will put this is where I put all my workout clothing. It's just way easier to put it all at like in one bag. And I showed on TikTok what kind of workout brands I use and clothing and all that I'm taking with me. So this will go here. Workout sneakers, I think I will put, it has like a really nice pocket right here. So then I also have my makeup bag, which I will put above the workout clothing. Again, makeup I shown on TikTok. What makeup I'm taking with me, they are all cruelty-free brands, because I will still use it most likely the day I go, and maybe even like until then I will use some makeup, so I will need it. Then I have like hair care and skincare in this. Nothing really fancy or interesting, to be quite honest. I thought I will show on TikTok, but I didn't even show it on TikTok because it's really nothing interesting. They're mostly like samples and all the things. These two skirts, I think this one I will wear on New Year's Eve, very possibly. This skirt I will probably wear if we go out to see some Christmas markets. I thought it will be really cute. Then I have these winter tights, but I think I will add these ones to my underwear. Where I have underwear, like here for example. Then I have this huge bag where I have socks and again underwear. Yeah, we're going away for like a while, so then I take these mom jeans that are from Shein, amazing for petite, really affordable. The best, one of the best jeans I've ever had, I would say. So definitely taking this one. I think I will need to take something out of it because it's already kind of full. Then I take leather leggings, amazing quality as well, and also from Shein with pockets and everything. Just if you are interested in something a lot more like reviews, then you need to check out my blog or TikToks and Instagram. I post usually try on hauls, unboxings, reviews, all that kind of thing there. And I have a lot of leggings. These are just casual cotton leggings, and that will be comfy. These are collar leggings, really soft ones like this. What else I have? I have these jeggings. I don't know if to take these ones or not. I'm telling you, I think I will need to throw something out because it's just too much. I don't know if I would wear so much leggings, to be quite honest. And then these ones, joggers, also from Color, I think. Yep, Color as well. These are like pet hair free, so to go to the like camp house, countryside house, they are really nice. And these are lounge pants from Low Leggings, but I think now they're called Lowies or something like that. Like all of these that I'm showing you are petite friendly, that's what I'm showing you. And this one I will take to like walk around the house. Then I will take this dress. I don't know if I will wear the miniskirt or I will wear this red dress for the New Year's. I will see which one I want to wear. Oh, I have so much stuff. Then I have like a turtlenecks. 4 of them I have from ASOS, Pimki, Stradivarius, and Yes Style turtlenecks. Like really, maybe I need to. No, I already wrote on blog post about turtleneck, like a guide. So if you're curious, check that one out. And I have a few t-shirts. I think I'm going to wear some t-shirts on my way there. And I think I'll wear maybe these ones for the trip. Okay, this white sweater definitely will go with me. Cute one for the Christmas. Then the Levi hoodie. I have also like hat, mittens, and scarf just in case if it's really cold. Maybe I need to put it, I have like a small, on my right there, I have like a small this bag. Maybe I will add it here. And then I have this red really cute knitted dress, and this I think, I'm not sure, I think this I would wear probably still like day before when I'm still home. And this is the hoodie I got in Latvia, obviously with like rabbit photo, and I'm thinking to wear this on my way there as well. So I'm thinking to wear these. Yeah, I think I'll wear that thing. And then I'll take these leggings, put it in here. I have started to wear like berets, like this red one, and I'm really obsessed. So I'm taking with me. Maybe it will go with some outfit. It looks really cute. So I don't want to put it here because then I will forget about it. So I'm better putting it over here. The problem is that I also need to put like a laptop, and now with all of this, I don't know where I'm going to put it. I think this gift that I'm bringing, I'm also taking with me in my backpack. Otherwise, I'm going to squeeze it, and I don't want to squeeze it. Or then I have this. This I'm going to, I think, put here in here as well. Or with me, I'm not sure. Then I have these sneakers that I want to take with me, and I think they have legs just in here. Way too much things, but that's me, that's me. Let's see if I can close it up. And I wanted to put my new boots, these ones, but I don't know where I'm going to. If they have a space and place. Because I still have to put my laptop in it as well. Okay, seems like it's not too bad. Ta-da! Okay, and this is the bag for my laptop. A new one as well, like the sleekest I've ever had. So that's... I just do this out because I think I will wear it the day before. Probably. Like on the Christmas Eve. Something more, you know, festive. And then I have my backpack, oh, and jewelry, which I think I'll put in a backpack as well. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a little bit more boring, but I wanted to start a little bit of kind of conversation about packing and traveling and how you manage to make your outfits to like cozy, cute, practical, and just, yeah, talk about that with you in the comment section. So if you have any questions or any tips or anything, you can comment down below and I'm going to answer to each one of you. And if you want to see more about traveling, fashion and all that, then keep on watching all my videos and subscribe and like, and see, and just write down if you have any requests that you would love to see more on my channel, because I'm here for you. And in 2024 I would love to create more practical and useful, valuable content for you. So let's make YouTube more practical, valuable and really useful for us and for society, something that brings society up and not down. And with that, I want to say bye and have a happy Christmas, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.